Hi guys, welcome to Symbolic Logic Part 5. We are taking reference of Symbolic Logic 5th edition which was written by Irving and Copy from the University of Hawaii. We have briefly seen about categorical proposition and its four kinds. Let's look at it in more depth now. We have four kinds of propositions, namely A, E, I, O. Universal affirmative, universal negative, particular affirmative, and particular negative. We also have unique forms for each type of proposition. Let's recall it again. All SRP is the form of universal affirmative A. Let's look into the example of it and analyze whether it is following the form or not. All cats are mammals. Here, all is there, subject cat is there, are is there, and predicate mammals is there. So it is universal negative. Now let's take a look at universal negative. It has the form no SRP. If we analyze the example no cats are reptiles, we have no is there, subject cat is there, are is there, and predicate reptiles is there. So it is universal negative. Now let's take a look at particular affirmative. It has the form some SRP. If we analyze the example, some cats are long haired cats, we have some is there, subject cat is there, are is there, and predicate long haired cat is there. So it is particular affirmative. Now let's take a look at particular negative. It has the form some yes or not be. If we analyze the example, some cats are not long haired, we have some is there, subject cat is there, or not is there, and predicate long haired is there. So it is particular negative. Now let's begin with the Venn diagram for each propositions. So the first Venn diagram with the form all SSP illustrates there are no one in the region region S, and all are in the region B, and this form belongs to universal affirmative. Moving to the second Venn diagram, which has the form no SSB, belongs to universal negative and illustrates there are no one in the intersection of S and P. Moving to the third Venn diagram, which has the form some SSB belong to particular affirmative and illustrates there are no one in the region which is marked. Similarly, moving to the fourth Venn diagram, which has the form some yes is not P, belongs to particular negative and it illustrates the marked region is where no one is present. You guys need to remember this Venn diagram because these concepts are the building blocks of classical logic. I will now show you the easy way to find how to find which sentence belongs to which type of proposition. So, if a statement or premise or whatever, if it starts with all, each, every, any, only, the, and, noun or pronoun, then it belongs to A type, which means universal affirmative. So, if a statement or premise or whatever, if it starts with no, neither, never, not, then it belongs to E type. If a sentence has some, a few, certain, most, many, almost, few, then it belongs to I type, which is particular affirmative. So, if a sentence starts with or has some not, hardly, every or every not, majority not, all not, if these kinds of words come into that sentence, then it belongs to O type, which we call it as particular negative. In the next video, we will see about distribution of terms and traditional square of opposition.